What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the XRP price chart because currently the whole market is basically going down, but XRP is holding up quite well and is holding its current support level and also a very important support level, and that is this one right here that I'm talking about. This is basically, first of all, the high that we have right here, and second point, which is also very important, this level, this support level, is also the invalidation point of our first and smaller price target, $4.15 until the 13th of September. That means that in case we have a daily candle close below this support level right here, that means that this price target right here would be invalidated. And also one more thing that I want to add right here is that if we are closing like this right now, let me zoom in a bit, you can see that we would be below the support level, but it would be a tiny bit. That means for me that this is not 100% meaningful and not 100% valid. Therefore, if the candle is closing like this, I would personally wait for another daily candle close. So something where you really can see, okay, this is definitely broken. For example, if we close it down right here, then the picture is looking different. But if we are closing just a tiny bit below, then I would personally wait. Also, another thing that I want to add right here is that if the daily candle close will be like it is right now, you see right now as I'm recording the video, it's still about 3.5 hours to go till we have the daily candle close. But if we are closing somewhere like this, then also I still think that it is very likely that we are continuing to move to the downside, just because the chart picture and the price action right here is not looking that strong. In case we are closing higher, somewhere like here, and we have a green turning candle right here, then this would also be a different picture, but it would be much more bullish as if we are closing like we are right now, because we would close above the support level with a positive candle and also with a turning candle. Therefore, I think that we have very interesting days right in front of us. Also, in case we should do this, so in case we should get a valid candle close below the support level, then potentially we are looking at the next support levels that we have. We actually have several ones right here. You can see we have one right here. This is basically this high. We already hit it today and then made a bounce. The next one would be this one right here, so a little bit lower at 283. And then the major one, and I think that would then be probably the one that we are aiming for, is this one right here at 266, which is basically our first breakout level that we had right here. You can see from there on we just went straight to the upside, and that is then potentially the level we are aiming for. And then probably we will be presented with a very good buying opportunity, because as you know, I do not think that this one right here is the top of the market. I think that this is just a temporary correction that is potentially presenting us with a very good buying opportunity. And even if we break below the support level right here, and then this price target of 415 gets invalidated, don't forget that we also have the bigger price target of $5.20, which has a much bigger time window right here. But also in case we are breaking higher here to, let's say we are correcting right here, we are breaking higher, you know that here we will get our also next price target, which would potentially be somewhere like here. So just that you know, that is the setup that I'm currently looking for. If, very important, we are breaking below this support level with a valid daily candle close. In case we don't do that, you know, potentially that's already it, and we are moving back to the upside. But right now it's waiting time for me. I'm waiting for this support area right here that I have also showed you in the last video, how we will behave right here. Will we break to the downside? Will we break to the upside? If we break to the upside right here above this, currently it's resistance level, then we have the first bullish confirmation. Then if we are getting above this big breakout level right here. We have the next bullish confirmation, and then very likely, let me quickly delete all my super fancy drawings right here. If we are going above this breakout level right here and have a daily candle close, then very likely we will aim for this price target, and then we will also aim for this price target probably in the first half of the rectangle. This would be till the 16th of October 2025. But right now, as I said, we are waiting for the daily candle close. We are waiting for this area to see in which direction will we go. If we'll go to the downside, we are probably looking for this level, which could be a very good buying opportunity. So let's wait what the daily candle close is telling us. And of course, if there should be any updates to the downside, to the upside, I will do another video on this and update you. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, if you have any questions or if you have any other cryptos you want me to have a look at, feel free to post that down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.